Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to remove a schedule from a message and make it send now on your iPhone in iOS 18. Let's get into the method. To make a scheduled message send right now, all you need to do is open the chat that contains the message. The scheduled message will have a dotted outline. Once you've found it, tap on the small edit option, which should be above the message next to the current scheduled time. You can now tap on send message to make this send now, or choose edit time if you wanted to change the schedule. If you choose send message, this message will be sent immediately as it appears on your screen. You could edit the message contents before sending by long pressing on the scheduled message itself, and then by choosing edit from the menu. That's how to remove a schedule from a message and make it send now on your iPhone in iOS 18. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.